Hello children, today we are going to start exercise 5.4 and question is find the LCM using the prime factorization method. In this method we will find prime factors of 42 and 70. We know that 42 is an even number, it can be divided by 2. So 42 divided by 2 is 21. Now we see 21 is an odd number. It cannot be divided by 2. So the next prime number is 3. We will divide 21 by 3 and the quotient is 7. As 7 is an odd number, it cannot be divided by 2 and it cannot be divided by 3 as it is not divisible by 3. The next prime number is 5. It is not divisible by 5. Then the next prime number is 7 and 7 banda 7. So the prime factors of 42 are 2, 3 and 7. The next number is 70. 70 is an even number, can be divided by 2. So the quotient is 35. 35 is an odd number, cannot be divided by 2 and it is not divisible by 3 also. So the next prime number is 5. So 35 divided by 5 is 7 and 7 is divisible by 7 and the quotient is 1. So the prime factors of 70 are 2, 5 and 7. Now see, prime factors of 42 are 2, 3 and 7. 2, 3 and 7. So how many times 2 appeared here? 2 appeared one time. So we'll write 2 power 1. How many times 3 appeared? 3 appeared one time. We'll write 3 power 1. How many times 7 appeared? 7 appeared one time. So we'll write 7 power 1. Similarly for number 70. Prime factors of 70 are 2, 5 and 7. 2, 5 and 7. How many times 2 appeared? One time. We'll write 2 power 1. How many times 5 appeared? One time. We'll write 5 power 1. How many times 7 appeared? 7 appeared one time. We'll write 7 power 1. So for finding LCM, what we do? We take the number which has highest power. Here 2 appeared one time. 2 appeared one time. We will write 2 here. 3 appeared one time. 3 is not there. We will write 3 here. 5 appeared one time here. 5 is not here but it is here. We will write 5 one time. Number 7. 7 appeared one time here and one time here. So we'll write 1 time 7 here. When we multiply all these numbers, we get LCM. 7 5 the 35, 35 3 the 105, 105 into 2 is 210. So the LCM of 42 and 70 is 210. Now take fourth part. We have to take LCM of 48 and 72. Firstly take number 48. 48 is an even number, can be divided by 2. So the quotient is 24. 24 again is an even number, can be divided by 2. So the quotient is 12. 12 is again an even number, can be divided by 2. So the quotient is 6. 6 is again an even number, can be divided by 2. The quotient is 3. 3 is an odd number, cannot be divided by 2. So we'll take next prime number, that is 3. And 3 1 the 3. So the prime factors of 48 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now come to number 72. 72 is an even number, can be divided by 2. So the quotient is 36. Again 36 is an even number, can be divided by 2. So the quotient is 18. Again 18 is an even number, can be divided by 2. So the quotient is 9. 9 is an odd number, cannot be divided by 2. So we'll take next prime number, that is 3. And 3 3 the 9. Again 3 is divisible by 3. So 3 1 the 3. So the prime factors of 72 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So the prime factors of 48 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Prime factors of 72 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we see how many times 2 appeared here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we'll write 2 power 4 because 2 appeared 4 times. And how many times 3 appeared? 1 time. We'll write 3 power 1. For number 72, how many times 2 appeared? 3 times. We'll write 2 power 3. Means 2 appeared 3 times. And how many times 3 appeared? 3 appeared 2 times. So we'll write 3 power 2. Now for finding LCM, what we do? We see the number which has highest power. Here 2 has 4 power. Here 2 has 3 power. So which has more power? 2 power 4. So we'll write 2 4 times here. 2, 2, 2 and 2. And how many times 3 appeared? 3 appeared 1 time here and 2 times here. So which has more power? 3 power 2. So we'll write 3 into 3. So when we multiply all these numbers, we get LCM. So 3 into 3 is 9, 9 to the 18, 18 to the 36, 36 to the 72, 72 to the 144. So the LCM of 48 and 72 is 144. In the same way, you will do all parts. That's all for today. Bye-bye.